Hello everyone, this is Anne and welcome back po dito sa aking channel. For today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-send or paano mag-transfer ng funds from your Paymaya account to Smartpadala authorized agent. Kung interesado ka sa video ito, just keep on watching. And kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bagong videos na i-upload ko. So, kamusta kayong lahat? Welcome to another tutorial dito sa aking channel. Pero bago natin umpisahan, gusto ko munang mag-thank you sa lahat ng sumusuporta. At ngayon masayang-masaya ako dahil meron na tayong 330 subscribers. At salamat sa inyong pagsuporta since day 1, guys. And wag na natin patagalin, let's go to our tutorial. For the first step, let's open our Paymaya app. Choose send money. Dito, just put the 16-digit Smartpadala number, your amount, and optional lamang po ang message kung gusto nyong maglagay ng message para kay recipient. So, don't forget to double check all the details. At kung na-double check na natin lahat ng details, just click confirm. And makikita natin send money successful na yung ating transaction. Back to dashboard and makikita natin na nabawasan na ang ating funds or yung ating balance. And once na naging successful ang ating transaction, may marireceive tayo na confirmation text galing kay Paymaya sa ating mobile number na nakasave sa ating Paymaya account. And that's my another tutorial for today, guys. Sana may natutunan kayo and continue to support me by clicking the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga future videos na i-upload ko. That's it, guys, and thank you for watching. See you on my next videos. Bye-bye! Kung paano Smartpadala. So that's it for today's